So I'm going to do egg cups, smoothies, overnight oats, and chia pudding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you one of the most important things you need to do when it comes to meal prep, especially if you do not know how to control yourself. So today I just wanted to share 4 of my favorite breakfasts for meal prep, and they are going to be egg cups. And for the egg cups, I'm going to share the vegan kind because I already did a live video on my Instagram page with the regular egg cups, so I just wanted to share with you a vegan choice. So I'm going to do egg cups, smoothies, overnight oats, and chia seed pudding. All right, let's get started with the egg cups because we have to put them in the oven to bake, which is also so simple. But while we're doing that, while they're baking, we're going to make all the rest. You're going to see that this doesn't even take so much time. So I'm talking too much. Let's get started. So for this recipe, this is definitely me trying out a new recipe. I don't know if it's going to work out. I didn't have some ingredients, but I decided to do it anyway. I don't know why I do it on camera, but I do. But I just want to bring you guys along with me in the fails and the triumphs. So this one, basically what you need for the vegan egg, I just used the chickpeas, and to that I just added a little black pepper, thyme, plant-based milk of your choice. I chose almond milk because I love that. I'm loving this at the moment, so I used almond milk, and of course added some salt and pepper to taste, and of course some chili because you have to have chili, guys. I love extra spicy. And I did add some garlic. I added 3 cloves of garlic. They look so many, but just because they are crushed, just blend that together until you make some kind of thick paste to act as the eggs. So once the chickpeas are done blending, just add them to a bowl, and then to the bowl add veggies of your choice. I chose onions and bell peppers plus some cilantro. After mixing this up all together, you're just going to put this in a cupcake baking tray. I decided to use the cupcake linings just so it's easy to take out because, like I said at the beginning of this is a trial and error, so if it doesn't work out, it's easy to take out. Alright, so while our egg cups are getting ready in the next 20 minutes, the rest of the 3 recipes are the easiest. So here we've got some cups, and we're going to start with the smoothie. So green smoothies are a way to add some greens into your diet, and they're so sweet. So I use spinach. I normally freeze my spinach, but today I hadn't, but I'm still going to put this in the freezer. I use spinach, 1 banana, some strawberries. The reason why I put this at the bottom is and the chia seeds on top is so that the chia seeds don't, because when they mix with anything wet, they just expand. So I just put them at the top, and then they also stick at the bottom when you're trying to take it out in the morning, so for easy taking out. I also added some cacao nibs because I like my chocolate, and I normally like peanut butter, but I will add the peanut butter at the end together with the milk just so they don't freeze. So now the next is chia seed pudding, which is this is the easiest. All you need is chia seeds, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and then a whole cup of almond milk or any plant-based milk of your choice. And then I like to leave this neutral because of course you have to add some honey just for the sweetness. I like to leave this neutral because the next day I can use it as a dessert or anything else, but for now I know what I want it for. It's for breakfast, so I'm just going to add some cacao powder because I love chocolate. I just have to add it. So I added some cacao powder and then just mix it all up and kept it like that. And then tomorrow I'll just top it up with whatever fruit of my choice, and this is for 2 days, so I can just add whatever fruits I like or even for dessert later. And then last but not least, we have oats. We have overnight oats. So I particularly like these oats because they also have chia seeds and flax seeds. So as you can see, you just add the oats to a cup, to the jar, and then add some plant-based milk. Like I said, I always use almond milk, and then I felt like this wasn't enough, so I just added some more oats, even if like I need to use half, I'll use half tomorrow and then some for the other day. And then of course I added some water to top it up. I didn't want it all to have milk. These oats are very thick and they firm up so much, so I had to add like a lot of water since they're going to stay for a couple of nights, probably 2 or 3. So for the chia seeds, we have to keep mixing them every 1 minute just so they don't stick to the bottom. Also the oats won't stick, they'll just soak it up, but I just keep mixing it at the bottom. And of course, for some reason I like chocolate. I crave a lot of chocolate, so anything I can use to add some little chocolate I do. So I added some cacao powder to the oats, and that's it. So I'm just going to keep this in the fridge, and these are ready to have during the week. So now it's been 30 minutes since our egg cups were in the oven. So I don't know why I keep doing this. You have to wait for this until it cools, but of course the glutton in me had to take it out so quickly. It was crumbled, but it tasted so freaking good. I did take out another one after 30 minutes and it looks like this, but it's still not firm, probably because some ingredients are missing, but I'm fine with that. So I'm just going to pack this into an airtight container and pop it in the fridge. When I'm ready to have it, I'll just put this in the microwave and warm it for like 30 seconds and enjoy. Alright guys, that's it for my breakfast meal prep. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys want more recipes, more healthy recipes, my ebook is on discount right now for the whole of November, so don't forget to get a copy at only 15 Canadian dollars. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more healthy recipes, weight loss tips, healing naturally, and all that good stuff, weight loss challenges. And see you guys next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell right next to it and be notified the next time I upload a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.